Try to think that love's not around, still it's uncomfortably near. Don't you know, baby, my poor heart ain't gaining no ground, because my angel eyes ain't no angel eyes that old devil sends. They go unbearably bright. Oh, need I say that my love's misspent with angel eyes tonight. The facts uncommonly clear. Gotta find who's now number one, and why my angel eyes, and why my angel eyes, and why my angel eyes sing. Oh,
Alright, my friends, once again we have the final reveal of spray paint art with Enlightened and Evolved. Your boy Chris, thank you for checking in, hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know who you are, my friends. This is the final product of today's. I actually did this in 2 sittings. I could have done it in 1. I don't know, I got distracted. I generally do. I needed some foreground inspiration and I kind of just didn't. I kind of still just roughed it a little bit. And out of all the unhappiness, I think I probably could have done it without that black underneath the mountains, and I should have blended it in a little bit better. They almost look like they're floating a little bit, but that's alright. Other than that, I tried to kind of create some sort of distance. I got to figure out maybe what's wrong with my perspective from the top coming down. You know, I tried to obviously have more detail in the front than in the back, but you know, like I said, it's kind of look like they're floating. But the central mountains, I think, came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with just the rough version of how I'm doing it. And if you pay attention to what I did in this one with my mistake on the highlights and shadow, it's pretty basic. It's a simple concept that took me a little while to kind of grasp, but you watch enough Bob Ross videos, you'll kind of get it. You know, just rough, easy stuff, man. Nothing crazy. Thank you for hitting that like button, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you all, my love. Thank you for everybody who comments below. You guys are the best. And just the straight positivity I get from all you guys is great. Thank you so much. You guys have a blessed year. See you all soon.